Hello, we're here unboxing January 2019 surprise. Happy New Year, everyone. From Smile, Create, Repeat. Art supply subscription box, the best one. Gives you lots of great stuff. Let's see what's in. Ooh, look at that. You have the creative card, which explains all your supplies. And then you have your printed art lesson on the back and inspiration. And there's more tips and tricks. There's an extra video this month on how to mix paint. There's a value sketch thumbnail, and then there's also a blog on our website, smilecreaterepeat.com, on some tips and tricks on how to set up a still life. So that's in there, that's awesome. Looks like we have fantastic, a palette knife. These are great for mixing paint and for painting with also, as you'll see in the demonstration this month. My Smile, Create, Repeat cup right there. We have some white oil paint, some Venetian red oil paint. That's awesome, oil paints. I love oil paints. We have our supply wrap here. Looks like we have a couple brushes, a couple synthetic squirrel hair brushes, number 1 rigger, which is this really fine point. And then we have this a round 1. Those are awesome. I really like this one. I've used that quite a bit. Oil paintings. We have an ampersand gesso board for you to paint on. It's primed and ready to go. And what priming means is it has white gesso on it, which keeps the oil from penetrating into the surface. So when you're using oil paints, you'll want to make sure your surface is gessoed, protected with the right material before you put oil paint on it. And then we have our SCR sticker, of course. Think inside the box. A gouache postcard of an avocado with 3 colors. And then a Smile, Create, Repeat postcard telling you more about it and the benefits you get for being a member. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know if there's something you'd like to see in one of these or have any questions. Leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. Oh, I almost forgot. And our Kimberly pencil. Thank you and Happy New Year.